Hey guys, welcome to my channel. To get the latest updates, follow me on the Instagram. If you're watching this video, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Hey, welcome back. So I'm here with one more video on my Decopage series. Today I will upcycle this beautiful glass bottle. I'm using gesso as a prime base coat to this glass bottle. I have applied 2 coats and I left it for the drying process. Now I will cut off my desired pattern from this decoupage napkin. I will use a thin weight brush to tear off pattern. First, I will select area, then carefully I will tear off those flower pattern. After selecting all required pattern from this decoupage tissue, I will move to next process. Before using these cuttings, peel off this white liner attached to back of this tissue. Now, take a very small amount of decoupage glue, apply on glass bottle, stick tissue on it carefully without any foldings or air bubbles. Try to do small portion at a time. Apply glue from center to edges, small portion at a time. After sticking tissue, apply decoupage glue over the tissue to secure it properly. Now, do the same process for rest half of the tissue. After it, cover the whole pattern with a layer of decoupage glue in a very gentle manner. To remove any paper folding, use a small piece of paper or the plastic sheet. Place it over the pattern paper and using a thumb, gently remove the air bubbles. After then, apply the last layer of decoupage glue over the tissue to secure its all edges. I'm using rose buds and the leaf pattern randomly to fill up my glass pattern. I will follow same process to cover up whole bottle using these small patterns here and there. Once it dries completely, I will give a nice coat of decoupage glue to whole bottle, followed by a varnish. After completely drying, it looks like this. All patterns are merged into the background of glass bottle. Decoupage is really interesting and very easy to try out. If you ever gonna try this technique, use my hashtag to share your artwork with me. And if you like my video, don't forget to share it with your friends. Subscribe me and hit the bell icon to get all the notification of my upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.